This is not a wall. These are PU stone panels. PU stone panels are like fake rocks, much lighter than the real stone, which makes them easier to handle, transport, and install. PU stone panels are made from molded polyurethane, a synthetic polymer, colored and textured to mimic natural stone like granite, slate, or sandstone, offering the look of real stone without the high cost and installation charges. Polyurethane is a durable material that is resistant to weathering, UV rays, moisture, and temperature. This versatile material can be used in various applications such as cladding for facades, columns, balconies, and garden walls. In interior spaces, it's ideal for creating feature walls and bathroom walls. Due to their lightweight and design, PU stone panels can be easily cut and attached to various surfaces using simple construction adhesives. Installing them is easy, which can save time and reduce labor costs. About the maintenance, these panels typically require less maintenance than natural stone. They don't need sealing and are easy to clean. And if you're in the market for interior design materials in the future, don't forget to check out Material Depot at HSR Layout or book a free consultation via DM.